Day 36 of being a chef on a yacht. For breakfast, I made a smoked Gouda and spinach frittata. I also had like 3 loaves of brioche bread in the freezer, so I needed to use that up, and I made some French toast casserole. Right after breakfast, we got underway. We had some really rough seas today, so I made the simplest lunch possible. So a big salad, tamales, and meatballs. Cleaned up the galley after lunch and went to go help with the fenders. Thurston is dying to get on land, he really needs to pee. So we got into the Compass Cay Marina, and at this marina you can swim with the sharks. After we tied up the boat, I got started on dinner prep. Tonight I'm making beef Wellington. So I'm starting with my mushroom duxelle. I'll sear off my tenderloin, do a layer of Dijon mustard, your prosciutto, and the mushroom duxelle, and wrap it up in the puff pastry. Scored the top, put an egg wash on, and threw it in the oven. For cocktail hour, I made a charcuterie board and served a ginger and lemon vodka soda. Then I got started working on dessert prep. I'm making Oreo truffles and rum balls. I felt like I had to keep adding rum so it would actually stick together, but it finally worked. Then I coated them in powdered sugar and put even more rum on them. Took my beef Wellington out of the oven and served it with a red wine sauce and a watercress salad. Set the table upstairs and dinner served. After I put out dessert, I made myself a plate. Bye, little chef.